मिस्टर विश्वास राव को मैं योग क्रिया दे रहा हूँ उनके हार्ट के प्रॉब्लम के लिए, और फ्रोजन शोल्डर था उसके लिए, जॉइंट्स के लिए। देखो उनके शरीर में क्या इफेक्ट होता है। जैसे उन्होंने बताया वो हाथ ऊपर भी नहीं कर सकते थे क्योंकि शोल्डर फ्रीज हो चुका था उनका 120 तक था, कभी कभी 120 to 200 तक उनका बीपी जाता था, 200 से भी ज्यादा। मैंने 3 दिन इनको ट्रीट किया है, कैसा रिजल्ट है वो खुद बताएंगे। सर क्या फील हो रहा है आपको?
Here in this shoulder, some feeling like probably the muscles are getting loosened or something like that.
Absolutely right, because I was treating you there. Now you raise the hand. सीधा ऊपर जाने दो इसको। कितना फर्क है अभी?
बहुत from here up to here.
मैं यहां से सीधा ऊपर कीजिए उसको, और ऊपर। फ्रीज खत्म हो गया उसका?
काफी, I think 80% तो हो गया अभी। I was able to leave the hand up to here. Now up to here.
Almost 90 degrees it is.
More than 90.
No pain? Any other joint pain?
No, you treated me for this and for BP. Other things are there for which I am coming now.
But you are not come to me after that.
सर आपका नाम बताइए।
My name is Prasanna Vishwas Rao.
What was the reason that you visited Rajyog Spiritual Healing Center?
I visited for many problems, but I got treated for 2, the problems which I told. And one of them was BP. My lower BP was last 2 years is in the range of 120, 130. And after 2 sittings, last 2 weeks I've been measuring, going to the doctor, and it's constant at 90, the lower one.
And the problem of your frozen shoulder, how much is the difference if you...
It's around 75 to 80%. Earlier I was able to raise my hand only up to this much, say about 30%. Now it goes above my shoulder.
So how would you, I'm sure you might have done some medical treatments also for this.
Actually frozen shoulder has no medical treatment.
But the doctor...
No, that's what the doctors told me. So you just wait for some time and it will get resolved automatically. But medical science does not have any treatment as such for frozen shoulder.
But with the
That's why I
spiritual...
came here.
With the spiritual energies, now that when Sir was treating you, when you were standing here with your closed eyes and you had spread your palms, you actually said that your muscles you felt were getting loosened up.
The sittings, there, I do not feel any vibrations or anything, but always there used to be some feeling here as if the muscles or the nerves are moving around or something.
This has been your first workshop, sir. How has been your experience throughout the day?
I've been enjoying it and feeling very fresh and sitting behind and enjoying.
Could you feel the energies? How was the meditation session, the yoga kriya? What was your experience?
Very refreshing. About my BP, it was very high, the lower part, and now It's at 90. For the last 2 weeks, in the last weeks, I must have measured it about 4 times, and always it has been at 90.
So as you have taken these divine energies and you've seen the difference for yourself, would you recommend spiritual healing, yogic healing to other people?
I have already started.
Okay, thank you so much.
Raj Yog Spiritual Healing Center, 42 Madhav Apartments Cooperative Housing Society Limited, 4th floor, Ganesh Peth Lane, NC Kelkar Road, Dadar West, Mumbai 28. Phone number 022-2431-3435, 98201 66214, 9240-11497.
Our website www.yogichealing.in. Email cmpatil@yogichealing.in.